Attention high-level developers, what if there was a way for you to automatically uninstall applications from specific accounts within HighLevel? Well, today I'm going to be showing you the Uninstall Application API. This is a part of HighLevel's API 2.0, and this is what's going to allow you to automatically uninstall your applications from dormant user accounts, ones that have canceled their subscriptions, and things like that. So this is really useful for managing dormant users, managing people that have canceled their subscriptions, and there's lots of other use cases. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how it works within the HighLevel API 2.0 documentation, and let's dive right in. So you can find the App Uninstall API under the HighLevel API 2.0. We're going to be going to the developer marketplace, app management, and then you will see our uninstall an application. Here is the API request. We have a couple of different examples on the right-hand side for curl, Node.js, Python, PHP, and Java. As usual, there's a couple of different requirements that you'll need in order to use this, but essentially this is really what's going to allow you to uninstall applications from specific accounts. This is great for app management, especially let's say you have 1 million downloads, but you think that a percentage of those are dormant users, ones that aren't using your apps, and you want to have better data for your app. Well, you can use this to automatically uninstall the application from accounts that aren't using your app, maybe ones that haven't installed it, in order to get better metrics and service your active users even better. So this is great for those sorts of cases. Obviously, when you are running this, you'll need a couple of different key pieces of information. So your bearer tokens, so anything for authentication, your app ID, as well as the location where you're going to be removing this, company ID and location ID, both here. The difference between these two is obviously company ID is for the agency, right, as well as all sub-accounts, and then the location ID is just from specific sub-accounts. And then you can also include a reason, which is really cool. So if you want to send a notification to the users when your app gets uninstalled, you can say, hey, you haven't processed your payment, or your payment was failed, or you can say that they're a dormant user, anything like that. You can include that as a reason within your JSON request. This is pretty straightforward, but it's going to be really useful for app developers, especially, like we said, removing dormant users, removing users that have failed payments, and of course, I'm sure you have some other creative use cases for how you're going to use this. So if you have any questions about this, refer to the help doc and, of course, the API 2.0 documentation. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.